welcome, sweetheart.
Watch out! Don't fall on the lake with alligators in it.
This is where we come on our Shabaths. And it's so beautiful and peaceful out here.
Mom, I drink it all.
Okay, well, I don't know why you drank it all. You should have drank some.
I see my shirt off.
Yeah, you could take your shoes off.
Done with it.
Close it up, baby. Close it up.
Lock it.
This is where we come.
Ow.
Through our grounding.
Rocks all over.
Get in tune with the Lord. Me and the princesses, we come here on the Shabbat. We normally just walk down here, but I didn't want to walk down here today because it's kind of hot out here. So, yeah, this is the little lake, our neighborhood lake. Appreciating Yahweh Hashem Yahweh Shai's creation and in nature. Come here and just, I don't know, take it all in. Amazing for meditating and grounding. Gonna do a post on grounding, the benefits of it. Very beneficial. It's not the same as walking barefoot on concrete. Nevaeh, what are you eating? What's in your snack bag?
Cranberries, sunflower seeds, and pumpkin seeds, and walnuts.
Yes. Do you like it? Is that a good snack? It is.
I want to throw the rocks in the lake, so.
Okay. After you get done eating, you can throw the rocks in the lake, okay? Uriah, how your little feet feeling?
Good.
Really good? What are you doing? Are you grounding? You like it?
Getting that on her snack.
Yeah, Nevaeh put her shoes back on.
I'm gonna put my shoes on and wear my foot here.
You want your you're not putting your shoes back on.
Let me move those rocks.
Nevaeh, don't get too close to the edge, sweetheart. We're gonna go walking over here in a little bit. We're getting ready to go back here, y'all. Go for a little trail walk. Show y'all how that looks. I wish I was near a beach. Let's play follow the leader. Okay, we're following Nevaeh. Okay, Nariah? Nevaeh's the leader right now.
I leader too.
Okay. Well, Nevaeh's the leader right now. You are definitely a leader.
I'm a little grandma leader.
She's a little grandmother leader. Come on, baby. Walk over. We got to follow Nevaeh. Remember, she's the leader right now, okay?
Watch out for the wood. So put your hands on the wood.
Here's another trail. Here's another trail. It's just a dragonfly, Nevaeh. You don't have to be afraid of it.
Oh, I thought it was a butterfly.
Yeah, it's a dragonfly.
Bad. Hunting. Fishing permits.
I would get in that canoe.
I want to go fishing.
But there's gators out there. I don't think so.
Let's just stay there. I know there's a box of wood, but I know all
Yeah.
wood is right here.
There's plenty of wood here. All these trees.
Mom, let's go, Mom.
Let's go. You ready to go, Dose? Come on. Come on, let's go. Let's go.
But if I stay right here, over here, please.
Oh, no, there's a snake. Let's go. Okay, y'all. So we just going to take y'all on the trail ride. Because I ain't going to tell y'all I just saw a snake. I don't think so. Not with my little babies. Okay. Now, if my husband was with me, then that'd be a different story. But yeah, we will not be doing that. today, and I'm so sad because I wanted to walk this trail. Look how beautiful this is. Look at this. You mean you want to stay in a house and not take in all of this natural oxygen? Even though these devils have defiled the air, take advantage of this. Why not, right? Why not? Look at this. Nature. Oh, I can't wait for the kingdom. I cannot wait for the kingdom. All of this is so beautiful, right? All of this is so beautiful. How much more in the kingdom where none of it is defiled, tampered with, you know? Look at that. How about Shimmy Outside? It's awesome. Yeah, I know, sweetheart. Look at this. It's so beautiful, y'all. How about Shimmy Outside? That snake ruined it for me. I am not gonna joke. No thank you. Look at the butterfly. Aww, hi butterfly.
The wolf just said, ooh.
Yeah, so we're just gonna drive through here because I promised the girls we would come back here, but yeah, I'm gonna come up here and turn around. Here's a trail to get to another neighborhood. In our neighborhood, we have like 3 different sections in our neighborhood, and this is one trail to get to that side, and this is the other trail to get back to the side where we live at, and this is where we are getting ready to turn around and head on back, okay? So this is so beautiful and so tranquil. And another thing, the so-called rocks that be on the ground, some of them are rocks and like concrete, but there are so many of them that reminds me of jasper, like a shade of jasper. I'm gonna pick up some of those and put them in the video towards the end. Y'all tell me what you think. If you think that, yeah, it is a form, you never know. These devils just call anything a rock. Look at my baby. Look at my baby. Oh, look. You see the beautiful butterflies? Can y'all see that? Look at it. Hi, Pumpkin. I love butterflies so much. You see it? Oh, he gone.
A green butterfly named Buttercup?
There, there's another one. There's another one. Damn, I can't. I'm trying to record it. It's so beautiful, but I don't know if I was able to catch it. I'm not sure if I was able to catch it, but they're just everywhere out here. Beautiful colors.
A green butterfly named Buttercup? Like a Powerpuff Girl?
Powerpuff Girl. If you want to name your butterfly Buttercup, you can name your butterfly Buttercup, maybe if you want to.
I want a green one.
Okay, we'll find one.
Named Bubbles.
Oh, you want to name one of yours Bubbles? Okay.
Yeah, I want a pink one named Lost. Mariah, I want to go to the trail.
We are on the trail, baby, but that's, I don't want to put y'all out here where these snakes are. Okay? Okay, so we're coming back towards the lake. Here's our lake right there. Look at this, y'all. This is just so tranquil. Do you see how beautiful this is? Do you see how beautiful this is? I need to prepare myself for possibly being in the wilderness, because I'm so afraid of bugs and stuff, y'all. It's pathetic. But I better get used to it, huh? Just in case. You never know. Never know. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, and another thing, when I come out here and for meditation or just like grounding, I always wear my stones. I wear my stones. Plenty of them. And the best grounding stones are like hematite, black obsidian, you okay? Quartz, so on and so forth. But I normally wear those stones. Yep, and tiger's eye. And my tiger's eye right here. My tiger's eye, and then I have my black obsidian. Can't see if you can see that. Here's another stone that I wrapped and put it. So here's the ones that I was talking about. This particular one, it gives off a jasper vibe to me. See? It's so beautiful. Let's see. You know, it's embedded in concrete, yeah, but it really gives off a really beautiful color. That one, and then there's another one. It's a little small. Look at this one.
Mommy, what are you talking about?
Looks like some steak, huh? Shalom, boot. It's a deer.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know
looks
if
like
y'all
a
can see.
moose.
No, he doesn't. Shalom, boot. I was out here talking to him and forgot to record it. Where you go? Shalom, pumpkin. Look, he is really focused. Look. Hi, boot. Shalom, pumpkin. They are literally staring. You see him?
I see her. She's looking at you.
Hi, pumpkin. I see you. Shalom. Shalom. Don't be too loud. You don't want to scare it, okay? Shalom, sweetheart. Shalom. It's so cute. Look at it. You see my... Go ahead. Go around. Oh, I think it... That truck went by. Look at it. Oh, shalom, sweetheart. Oh, shalom, pumpkin. Shalom. Oh, it's blurry. There it go. Shalom.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Shalom is just chilling. Look. Oh, and the butterfly is right there by it. That is so sweet. I love it. I can't wait for the kingdom, y'all. Come on, phone. Aww. It's very rare that they come out during the day like this. Yeah, they normally don't come out during the day this way. Hi, Boopy. Shalom, sweetheart. This baby is very circumspect. You can't really see it right there, but... Aww. I don't know why I wasn't recording when they were like right here. I was just too into it. Bye, sweet. And this one is just standing there watching. Like, I wish y'all could see this. I'm trying to get... It's just standing there watching. His mama and his sister done ran off already. But it's just still standing there. Shalom, baby. We almost out of here. We almost out of here. There you go. We are almost out of here. I can only imagine how they feel. They gotta run for their life and hide for their life every doggone day. Cause you already know E gonna be hunting them. Y'all